MarineMax Maryland. My name's Perry, part of the sales team here. We're in this 2019 215 Scout XSF. We'll start here at the back of the boat. We got powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower digital throttle and shift outboard. We've got your bait well. We have a really nice bench here for, if you're fishing, or you're bringing your family on there. And you got seating here and seating in the bow. Starting here at the leaning post, you've got lots of grab handles. You have rocket launchers here. You've got thigh-rise bolsters that'll come down and give you some more support. You've got your tilt steering wheel here. Up here, you've got a place where you can put a Garmin, fish finder, anything you really want to add into the boat. You've got your upgraded JL audio package in this boat. And one great thing about this, powder-coated T-top with a hardtop makes the boat pop. So here's your digital throttle and shift here, and then you've got a head below, and then follow me up to the bow. So up here in the bow, you've got spacious seating for all your friends and family, front leaning backrests here, massive coffin box storage, and very nice lounger. So you can put anything you want in here, fish, ice, sandwiches, drinks, and it's all overboard discharge, so it's not going back to your bilge. It's not going to mess up your bilge pump, so that's important. Then of course, you've got grab handles where there should be, and then a nice anchor storage locker right there. So if you'd like to come down and see it in person, my name's Perry. You're at MarineMax Maryland. Give us a call.